Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a very long time. I do apologize, I've just been feeling a bit lazy to film. That's the truth of it. Anyway, if you're new here, my name is Braid, and on this channel we talk about skincare mainly, a bit of beauty, sometimes a bit of fashion as well. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Just join the family because I'm talking about some juicy stuff. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up at the end. I fully appreciate it. Right, okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be talking about BHA. BHA is beta hydroxy acid. There is a video where I explain the difference between AHA and BHA, which I'll link above here somewhere so you can have a look. So I'll just give you a quick summary, shall I? BHA is your beta hydroxy acid, which is an oil soluble acid, and that works underneath the skin. So if you're acne prone or your oily skin, you would find BHA is your exfoliant of choice. And the key ingredient in BHA is salicylic acid. Whew, mouthful. Anyway, today's video I'm going to be comparing two BHA options out there. One is a very well known one that I've talked about previously, and another one is one that I have just most recently been sent to use. We're going to be comparing these two acids. Now this is the Paulas Choice BHA 2% exfoliant, everyone's seen that, and this is one from Alpha H, which is their Clear Skin Tonic with 2% BHA. So the main differences between these two is that this comes in a 30ml and 118ml. The 118ml, which is this size, retails for £28, whereas the Alpha H only comes in one size, which is 100ml, and that retails for about £35, so slightly more expensive. So before I show you how they both look, ingredients wise, the salicylic acid in this is the 4th ingredient on the INCI list, whereas it is the 10th on the INCI list on the Alpha H option. Now the reason why I wanted to try another BHA is because of reasons I'm going to talk about here today. Juicy stuff. But anyway, yeah, the brand sent me this, so I thought why not try it and move away from this bad boy. One thing I was a bit scared of when I first received this was that the second ingredient in this is Alcohol Denat, which can be very drying, especially if you've got dry skin. And really, if you've got dry skin, you really shouldn't be using this product, or sensitive skin as well. But when I contacted the brand, it explained to me why this is the second ingredient, and that is basically because any exfoliant to work, you need some sort of alcohol to dissipate any oils on the surface of the skin. Now because of this, I use this sparingly for the first couple of weeks, just because it was a bit too strong for me, and you have to kind of take your time for your skin to get used to new actives. If you are sensitive skin, please stay away from this. If you are dry skin, use very sparingly. Enough about that, let's look at the actual products inside. So firstly, I'm going to show you the Paulas Choice. This comes out as this slightly thicker consistency. It doesn't show on camera, but I promise you slightly thicker consistency. Scent wise, doesn't really have a scent. I'm going to use one on this side of my face and then the other. So I normally use on areas where I get the most congestion, which is really around my nose, around my chin area, and sometimes around my forehead. Oh god, look at that. And I promise I've washed my face. Look how much stuff's come out. Can you see that? Ew, gross. Okay, now to this. Now, smell wise, this one is a lot more clinical smelling, and that is because of the thyme, and it's got thyme in it and cucumber. It's also got chamomile in it, which is quite calming. I can't get that out. So very quickly, the description says it's a gentle exfoliating tonic which helps to decongest pores and assist in clearing the skin of acne causing debris. So this is enriched in anti-inflammatory properties of chamomile, arnica, thyme and cucumber. I don't know what arnica is, but you can really smell the thyme in this, and for me it smells quite, that's what makes it smell quite clinical. So if you like heavily scented product, probably not one for you, I would say. But anyway, so yes, the battery died, hence why I look different. Had to change outfits because I had to charge my battery. Moral of the story, girls and guys, charge your battery before you start filming. Not a good idea. So this one is slightly oilier. Like I said previously, it's got slightly more clinical scent to it. On application, this one feels quite refreshing, almost cold on the skin. I can still feel a little bit of, I won't say tingling, but like I said, like a, you can feel this on your skin. You can feel it on your skin. It's quite fresh. It's quite cooling, I would say, on the skin. Whereas this one, don't really feel anything. The BHA feels a little bit more greasier on the skin than the Alpha H option, and that would be because the alcohol percentage in this one is a little bit higher than the Paulas Choice. Now, if you've got extremely dry skin, you need to be very careful with this. Like I said, if you've got very sensitive skin, you've got to be quite careful with this as well. I would make sure you patch test any new product that you're using before you start fully patting it on your face, because you don't want to have a breakout, and you don't want to damage your skin barrier. Preference wise, honestly, in my opinion, they both do the same job. Like I said previously, there's a reason why I'm moving away from this product to this product, and that's that. So in this video, I was just show you the difference between two and what my thoughts are. But yeah, with everything, please do your own research before you buy. And that is the end of this very short video. So if you guys enjoyed that, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you already used the Alpha H BHA, let me know what your thoughts are. I've used both, let me know what your thoughts are. Anyway, thank you very much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.